Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes, we have discussed the exercise 7.1. So in that, today we are going to discuss the midpoint theorem. So this is the very important theorem of this concept. See, the midpoint theorem, this is the statement of the midpoint theorem and this is one of the converse of midpoint theorem. These two theorems are very important. So please you have to practice in your home properly, and you definitely it will come into the 3 mark or 4 mark questions in the final examination. Okay, so let us start it. So first one, the midpoint theorem. What is the statement? The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So this is the statement of the theorem. Let us prove it. So what is the meaning of this statement? See, the line segment of it joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle. So I will draw one of the triangle. This is one of the triangle. In this triangle, the line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle. See, ABC is one of the triangle. In that, any two midpoints. See, this is the D is the midpoint of AB, and this is E. E is the midpoint of AC. So I will join these two midpoints. So if you are joining these two midpoints, this midpoint of the line segment of this line, so this line is parallel to BC. That's why we want to prove it. What we have to prove it? DE is parallel to BC. So you can take any triangle. In any triangle, any two midpoints of a triangle, if you are joining of these two midpoints, this is forming one of the line segment. This line segment is parallel to the third side. Third side means this is the BC. So we want to prove it. DE is parallel to BC. This is the meaning of this statement. So let us write the given. What? In triangle ABC, B and E are midpoint of AB and AC respectively. That means D is midpoint of AB means, so AD is equal to DB. This and this side is equal, correct? Therefore AD is equal to DB, and E is the midpoint of AC means AE is equal to EC. This one and this one is equal, and AE is equal to EC. So to prove, what we have to prove it? So I told that, see, the line segment joining the any two midpoints of the triangle is parallel to the third side of the triangle. That means DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. That one we want to prove it. These two lines are parallel. Let us start. One small construction is there. So construction, we have to do the construction. So what is construction? So this DE line is extended up to F such that this DE line is how much length is there? No, that much length you have to extend it. So DE is equal to EF and join CF. Okay, extend DE up to F such that extend what is under DE is equal to EF already. DE is equal to EF. For example, DE is 5 cm ಇದ್ದರೆ EF ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 5 cm ವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. And then join CF and join CF. So this is the construction. So ready, start the proof. So what we have to prove it? See, DE is equal to DE is parallel to BC. So let us prove proving that D is parallel to BC. So first of all, so ADE and ECF, EFC and ADE, these two triangles is formed. Correct. Therefore, in triangle ADE and triangle ECF. ECF. These two triangles have take it. So these two triangles we want to prove the congruent of triangles. Okay, let us start it. See, first of all, see, AD is equal to D. Understood? Then, this and this angles are equal. Is it right? These two angles are equal because these two are the vertically opposite angles. One element C is got it, and then AE is equal to EC because of E is the midpoint of AC, and DE is equal to EF because of construction. Is it right? So now DE is equal to EF, DE is equal to EF because of construction, and angle AEB is equal to angle CEF because of vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now afterwards AE is equal to EC. AE is equal to EC because of given E is the midpoint of AC. That's why AE is equal to EC. Next, student, see, so this is side, this is angle, this is side, SAS. Is it right? Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle, what is that? ECF. Get the condition of SAS rule. Okay. Next, see, afterwards, this angle and this angle are equal because of simplicity. Okay. Angle DAE is equal to angle ECF, and another this angle and this angle is also equal. What is that? ADE, angle ADE is equal to EFC because of CPCT, and also what is this? These two are alternate interior angles. Correct? Alternate interior angles. When that these two angles are equal, correct? So when these two are alternate angles, is it right? So this is a transversal and this is parallel line. Therefore, when these two angles are equal, AD is equal to CF. Correct? AD is parallel to CF because of these two are alternate angles. Correct? AD is parallel to CF, and also these two are parallel. Therefore, BD is also parallel to CF, and BD is also parallel to CF. I will write here BD or DB, anyone. DB or BD. BD is also parallel to CF. Okay. Next. So this is called as number 1. AD is parallel to CF. Okay. So next student, parallel to CF. Equation number 1. So next, AD is equal to CF. AD is equal to CF. Correct? AD is equal to CF. BD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Because of these two triangles are congruent, that's why the corresponding parts is also equal. Therefore, AD is equal to CF because of simplicity. Is it right? So this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, this one BD is equal to CF. See, AD is equal to, this is not equation number 2. Next I will go to that. See, okay. AD is equal to CF because of simplicity. AD is equal to BD. Is it right? AD is equal to BD because of given. AD is equal to BD because of given. AD is equal to BD or DB. Okay. And AD is equal to CF also. CF is equal to BD is equal to AD is equal to CF and BD is equal to AD, or AD is equal to BD. Therefore, BD is equal to CF. Can I write BD is equal to CF? So if you are consider these two equations, so finally CF is equal to BD or BD is equal to CF. BD is equal to CF. This is equation number 2. See, AD length to CF equal ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, AD BD equal ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. So automatically BD CF equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So AD get cancel, CF is equal to BD or BD is equal to CF. Is it right? So next equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, see, BD is parallel to CF and BD is equal to CF. So BD CF is parallel ಆಗಿದೆ and also equal ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore BCFD is a parallelogram. BCFD is a parallelogram because of in a parallelogram, in any quadrilateral, one pair of sides are parallel and equal, then it is called a parallelogram. That's why one pair of sides, one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel in a parallelogram. That's why BCFD is a parallelogram. Now, afterwards, DF is parallel to BC because of BCFD is what? Parallelogram. That's why DF is parallel to BC. Correct? DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC as well. DE is parallel to BC because of DE is lies on DF. Therefore, DE is also parallel to BC. DE is also parallel to BC. Hence the proof. That's all. DE is parallel to BC. You want to prove it. So I already proved it. Okay, understood? So like this you want to prove it. Okay, friends, I will explain once again. See, in any triangle ABC, you can take any triangle. You can join any two sides of the midpoint of the triangle. That line is parallel to the third side. That means D is parallel to BC. So I will write the given and then prove. So want to prove and construction. Construction what? D is equal to EF. Extend DE up to EF such that D is equal to EF and join CF. Afterwards, proof. You can take two triangles. These two triangles we want to prove in that congruent. I prove that congruent by the condition of SEF. Afterwards, so these two angles are equal. A angle, C angle, D angle, F angle equal by the condition of CPCT. Correct? So when these two angles are equal, it becomes AD is parallel to CF. Correct? AD is parallel to CF. And also AD is parallel to CF. BD is also parallel to CF because of AD is equal to BD. That's why. Okay. So AD is parallel to CF and also BD is parallel to CF. Equation number 1. Then AD is equal to CF. AD is equal to CF by the condition of CPCT because of these two triangles are congruent. That's why AD is equal to CF. And AD is equal to BD. This is given. Okay, this is given. Okay, this is given. AD is equal to BD is given. So AD CF equal ಆಗ್ತದೆ, then BD equal ಆಗ್ತದೆ. However, BD is equal to CF. Is it correct? BD is equal to CF. Correct is number 2. So consider 1 and 2. See, BD is parallel to CF and BD is also equal to CF. So BD is equal to CF and BD is also parallel to CF. In any quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is called parallelogram. So that's why BCFD is a parallelogram. Afterwards, BCFD is a parallelogram after DF is parallel to BC. Another opposite side is also become a parallel. That's why DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC as well. DE is also parallel to BC. Therefore, D is also parallel to BC. Hence the proof. Understood? Like that. So, converse of midpoint theorem. See, converse of midpoint theorem. The lines drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ midpoint theorem ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see, these are the two midpoints. If you are joining these two lines, so this line is parallel. Correct? So in the converse ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, in any triangle, You can take any one side of the midpoint. I will take this is A, this is B, and this is C. So this is D. One side of the midpoint you can take. This line you can draw it. You can draw that line from the point midpoint of the one side of the triangle. This line is parallel to BC. On ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಡಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿ ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಳೆದಾಗ ಅದು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ intersecting point, so that is called as C. So this is the midpoint of AC ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That means AE is equal to EC ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So one triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ one midpoint, one side ನ midpoint ಅನ್ನ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ BC ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ so that intersecting point, that is E, is the midpoint of AC. We want to prove it. What is that we want to prove it? AE is equal to EC. What we have to prove it? AE is equal to EC. Are you understood? This is the converse of midpoint theorem. Bisect each other means it becomes two equal parts. Therefore, AE is equal to EC. Bisect ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ AE ಮತ್ತೆ EC. ಈ third side, this is the third side. Okay, ಈ third side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ bisect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ E is the midpoint of AC ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so let us prove it. See, first I will draw the diagram. A, B, C is one of the triangle. In that, D is the midpoint of AB, and draw DE is parallel to BC. This E is the midpoint of AC. We want to prove it. Okay, write on the given. So this one is already proved. See, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB. So that is AD is equal to BD, AD is equal to DB or BD. So next D and DE is parallel to BC. To prove, what we have to prove? AE is equal to EC. So EE is a midpoint of AC. That is AE is equal to EC. Like that one we want to prove it. Okay. Next, small construction. I will make one small construction. So what we constructed? So extended DE up to F such that DE is equal to F. Previous theorem. DE is equal to F and join CF, and also this CF is parallel to DB. Okay, therefore extend DE up to F such that DE is equal to EF and join CF, and CF is parallel to BD and DB. Okay, this is the construction. So this one and this one is the parallel. Okay, so next one, proof. Okay, again you have to consider these two triangles. Before that, see, DE is parallel to BC, correct? DE is parallel to BC. Is it right? Because of given. DE is parallel to BC, and DF is also parallel to BC, correct? DF is also parallel to BC. DF is also parallel to BC because of DE is like on a DF. Therefore, DE parallel to BC as well. DF ಕೂಡ BC ಗೆ parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. And also, so this is G1. And also, see, CF is parallel to BD because of construction. construction. Is it right? So CF is parallel to BD. I will take it as construction, by the construction. Therefore, so opposite sides are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel means it become what? It is a parallelogram. Therefore, what is the parallelogram? BCFB is a parallelogram. Okay, BCFB is a parallelogram. After next, we have to take these two triangles. What is that? In triangle ADE is equal and triangle ECF. We have to consider these two triangles because of we want to prove AE is equal to EC. When you are proving these two triangles are congruent, automatically AE is equal to EC by the condition of CPCT. Is it right? Yes. However, ADE and ECF in that angle A, this is equal because of DF is parallel to BC. That's why this is what transversal. So when these two are transversal, these two are parallel lines. So therefore this is the transversal. Therefore this angle and this angles are equal, and this angles is also equal because of these two are parallel lines. Okay, when these two are parallel, this one and this one, so it become what? Transversal. Therefore, angle DAC, this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle. So remaining, what we have to take it as DE is equal to FC. So this is one of the sides, and this is two angles. AAS condition. Is it right? So DAE is equal to angle DAE ECF, and another one ADE is equal to angle ADE is equal to EFC. Okay, because of alternate angles, and also why it becomes two are alternate angles? Because of AD is parallel to CF. Okay, AD is parallel to CF or AB is parallel to CF. Therefore, AB is parallel to CF. That's all. Okay. So next. So D is equal to FC. D is equal to FC. D is equal to EF. D is equal to EF by the condition of construction. So therefore, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle of ECF by the condition of AAS criteria, AAS rule. But this side is not included within the two angles. That's why we can take it as AAS. Okay. If it is this side is included within the two angles. If you are taking AE is equal to CF, automatically ASK rule. But this side is not included within the two angles. That's why AAS or SAAS. So therefore, when the two triangles are congruent, remaining parts is also becoming equal. Therefore, AE is equal to EC. AE is equal to EC by the condition of CPCT. When AB is equal to EC, I can say E is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, E is the midpoint of AC. And suppose, have you understood? So this is the converse of MPT, means midpoint theorem. MPT means midpoint theorem. So these two are very, very important. Okay, students. I forget that. I told that. I will tell now. DE is equal to half of the BC. What is the mean about DE is equal to half of the BC? So when in any triangle ABC and DE is the midpoint of AB and AC is the respectively, when this side is parallel to BC, when DE is parallel to BC, when DE is parallel to BC, in a midpoint theorem, according to the midpoint theorem, so DE is equal to half of the BC. This is the general form. DE is equal to half of the BC is the specific point. What is that? So D, for example, BC and DE. What is the relation? For example, DE is equal to 5 cm is there. BC ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 10 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ DE ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ BC ನ half of the part ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ DE is equal to half of the BC. When DE is parallel to BC, ಇವೆರಡು parallel ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ condition apply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದು parallel ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ condition apply ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Got it? So it is a very important. You have to note that point. Note this point. DE is equal to half of the BC. Are you understood? So like this, you want to, these two theorems you want to learn properly. So it is a very important theorem to the examination. Okay. So in the next classes we are discussing that. So in the related midpoint theorem problems we have to discussing the next classes. Okay. Thank you.